The journey of modern medicine begins with pharmaceutical-grade raw materials. Every shipment is sealed, coded, and strictly regulated. The active pharmaceutical ingredient is the core therapeutic compound. Its purity determines the drug's effectiveness.
Before production begins, every batch undergoes laboratory verification. Sterility and accuracy are non-negotiable.
Advanced analytical systems confirm molecular composition. Even microscopic deviation results in rejection. Digital traceability ensures full accountability from supplier to finished product. Accuracy is measured down to milligrams. Precision defines pharmaceutical safety.
Each ingredient receives a unique batch identity. Documentation follows every movement.
With verification complete, the materials enter the sterile manufacturing core.
Tablets enter the coating phase, where protection and stability are enhanced. The rotating drum ensures even exposure on every surface.
A thin polymer film is applied with precision. This layer protects the medicine and controls its release profile.
Heated, filtered air dries the coating instantly. Controlled evaporation prevents surface defects. Layer by layer, the protective coating builds. Uniform gloss indicates consistent coverage. Sensors verify coating thickness in real time. Even microscopic variation is detected.
Some medicines receive color coding for identification. Accuracy prevents confusion in global distribution.
The coating process enhances both protection and appearance. Each tablet must remain perfectly uniform. Final moisture content is verified. Stability depends on precise dryness. The coated tablets exit the drum. Their transformation is nearly complete. Surfaces are examined for imperfections. Even minor coating defects are rejected. Faulty units are instantly removed. Quality control operates continuously. With coating complete, the medicine advances to packaging. Protection now shifts from chemical to physical barriers. Capsule production begins with precise separation. Each half is aligned for filling. Accurate dosing ensures consistent therapeutic effect. Precision remains essential. Compression stabilizes the filled capsule. Uniform density prevents leakage. The capsule halves lock securely together. Seal integrity is critical. Surface polishing removes excess powder. Clean presentation enhances safety. Every capsule's weight is confirmed. Accuracy prevents dosage errors. Automated systems align capsules for packaging. Precision handling prevents damage.
Safety screening eliminates contamination risks.
Capsules must withstand transport stress. Structural durability is tested.
Finished capsules advance smoothly toward packaging.
Defects are removed instantly. Continuous monitoring protects quality. Packaging now begins. Physical protection is added to pharmaceutical precision.